whenever gas goes out, some water molecules, some water contaminants also goes along with it. So what this will do, they will absorb this water molecule and gas will go out, it's purely dry. So here from here we have to put the alkaline water and this is hydrogen outlet. But as I mentioned, this doesn't separate hydrogen and oxygen. What your gas you will get is a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen both.
So that is called vapor form of soup. Output. The gas is coming, no? That is called what?
Gas is a mixture of H2 and O2. It is not H2O. It is a mixture of H2 and O2. Mixture. Mixture is different. H2O is chemical formation. When H2 and O2 will get converted to H2O, when you will ignite it, they absorb your liquid material from the gas. So what the gas will be coming out, that will be in dry form. Capillary for gas outlet. Deliberately it has been given a long line. Yes, you are ready. Who is ready? Now here I have explained that in industry what concentration is maintained, 20 to 30%. That means in 1 liter we have to add 200 gram to 300 gram of NaOH or KOH. Here we will be adding 100 gram per liter. So 10% concentration will be using. 10% concentration. This tank has a capacity of 3 liters. So here we are using distilled water. So in 3 liter distilled water, we will be putting 300 gram of the KOH. However, instead of 300, it was a pack of 500, we divide into 2 parts, equal part, 250, 250. We will be using 250 grams of KOH here instead of 300. So how much will be the concentration? 8%. 8%. Yeah. So by the time this gets ready, you can take the jar. Have it hand closed over. You can keep this diary aside because if chemical gets in this medium. So this can require 3 liter water. So 3 liter distilled water already we are having. Take those 3 bottles. So we have to prepare a solution of this. So what is the capacity of jar? It's a 2 liter. It's a 150 gram, no? But 250. Yeah. So we put this chemical here. First we prepare a solution outside itself. Note the point. This is exothermic reaction. So it will generate heat. Water will become quite warm. Lastly, त्यांनी ते सांगितलं मला काल तेच सांगितलं विचारलं स्पेसिफिकली सर मॅन्युअलमध्ये सर 300 ग्राम सांगितले हाफ अप्रॉक्सिमेटली हाफ करतो उसका सो अराउंड 100 ग्राम्स ओके जैसे here you blow this eyeglass or put the water first and then add caustic
first then
Water.
no, first water.
Adding the caustic and then scotch stirring gradually. Don't put everything at the stage. Thoda add. While you experiment, everyone must be wearing the goggle and those aprons. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोई सब दिखना चाहिए. या आप तो स्टेरिंग कहाँ है? स्टेरिंग
I think this.
ये पूरा मोटा था मतलब आधे से भी कम डालो उसको पानी और थोड़ा दो पानी डाल दो नहीं पर डालने के बाद एक्सप्लोजन नहीं होने वाला जस्ट वेट for some time blend it touch it. Steady. That's it. Water has become warm. Huh?
Yes, it's almost for even though you can
Yeah, you can feel it. Now see the temperature.
So if it is far on our skin, whether it's any burning
Yes,
sensation.
yes. Try it. Try it. On such location which is not exposed. ठीक है डॉक्टर
Add it. Не очень, не очень.
Anyway, aquí is KOH. If you would have an innovation, no, you would have hot, water would have become more hot up till now. KOH is quite mild. ठीक है छोड़ो जाओ KOH.
Only KOH, right?
इसको इमीडिएटली वॉश कर लो इमीडिएटली इसको वॉश कर लो पानी से वॉश कर लो नॉर्मल पानी से वॉश कर लो नाउ यू टेक अ लिड पुट दिस वाटर इनसाइड हियर और यूजुअली इन फैक्ट वी शुड यूज funnel but funnel is not available because otherwise what will happen it will spill somewhere here so I will request you dilute it add more water to this छोड़ दो पूरा छोड़ दो पूरा डिजॉल्व हो गया ना ठीक है ये बड़ा से काम में थोड़ा डालो पूरा मत डालो ठीक है अगर हैंड ये ग्लोव कंफर्टेबल है तो निकाल लो ग्लोव अगर कंफर्टेबल है दिस इज केयर लो बाकी कुछ नहीं ये ग्लोव इस काम के लिए नहीं है एक्चुअली दिस ग्लोव इज नॉट फॉर दिस पर्पस ओके पूरा आधा डाल लो ठीक है ठीक है रुक जाओ वेट स्टॉप नाउ पुट दिस वाटर हियर नाउ मेक इट मोर डाउन 100 मला आश्चर्य वाटलं पण म्हणून बोलता त्यांनी 100 ग्रॅमच सांगितलं पर लिटर ठीक आहे गो अहेड इफ यू आर डायल्यूटिंग नो हार्म If you are concentrating, then you have to be careful. ठीक है अब इसको डाल दो ठीक उसको भी डाल दो उसको कोई सब पानी उसमें जाने वाला है ये पुट एट वाटर ऑल्सो हियर In fact, idea is that we should prepare the 3 liter water completely outside in 3 liter, 4 liter, 5 liter flask, make it homogeneous and then put it there. इसको डाल दो उसमें put it there.
So if it is water quality is not good, what happens, sir?
Tomorrow we'll see what happens. Tomorrow we'll have around 15-minute session on water itself and I can do the report. You take a photograph, no? You can cover each and every aspects. So, plus these items as well. So that we can send it to speak of say. Put that water there. But put that water first here. Rinse it. That there are no contaminants left. Once what happened in Lucknow when I was conducting TOT, no? On day 2 we were conducting this part. And in one of the bottles some KOH solution was left as it is. But concentration was very, very less. What happened? In the evening that coordinator he felt thirsty. He drank the water. Something is happening. In night he went to hospital, got medicated, was safe. Next day he narrated this experience. So while dealing with this chemical, be very, very careful. Okay, so body is charged now. Have you brought water? Anyone water? Ordinary water?
What is that? Salt or
Yes. ते अगोदर लावायचं. हा निघून येईल ना ते टाक लाव. Okay, now we have charged it. Now we'll put on the current. पण आपला हायड्रोजन जर कसं झालं असतं समजेल त्या बाटलीमध्ये घालावं लागेल आपल्याला. So put on the power now.
Sir, now you have to do what is the purpose of this? What exactly?
This see whatever gas comes out, it contains some moisture contaminants.
The outlet gas.
Yeah, outlet gas. So this absorb that moisture.
This one? This one.
Yeah.
This one. The material is
Which material is this? It's a silica or it's all called as zeolites.
Geolites.
Zeolites.
See, you are not explaining this one in the theory, sir.
No, this one not mentioned.
Current.
Power.
It takes time.
Sir, just a minute. 10 ml per minute. So how will you come to know whether gas is being formed or not? Put a glass bottle. Put a water some more bottle in here. Take a big bottle. You see the bubbles here inside. That is the purpose. Take the big bottle. Bring the water. Generation of the gas. This model is for 300 ml per minute capacity. This manufacturer has two different models, 300 and 500. This is for 300 capacity.
So the outlet pressure is showing.
Let us see if you are getting it. Keep your gas leak detector as well ready.
Yes, sir. It's in.
Okay. Wait, just wait for some time. Listen, I think he has sent us a video as well, no? How to operate it. It's not that he has the place. Ganesh, I think he has.
No.
He has.
No, the rest of the chair of the manual. Yeah, okay.
Bottle.
That's for water. Bottle कशी पकडली Okay. Stop it. Calculate करूया त्याला कशा तरी. Saw the bubbles?
Yes, sir.
Now what will you do?
Just
आपण एक काम करूया. Then बाहेर लांब कनेक्शन घेऊन घेऊ आपण.
नाही कनेक्शन नाही ते जास्त रजिस्ट्रेशन झालं नाही होत.
So दूसरा बॉटल. Take another bottle. नाही सर क्लच करायची गरज नाही पडत त्याला. एअर नॅचरली एअर रिप्लेस होणार असते तशी एअर बाहेर.
असंच करू.
त्यातली लांब दिसते बघा. Yeah, so gas is leaking closely.
High level.
नाही ते सर ते नंतर करू आपण. बाटली काढून घेऊ आपण.
Wait, what?